Okay, here's one of my SEO wins, one of the really good ones, and a trick I've used for a long time now. Now, if you've got an event that runs, say, annually, then this is how you set it up. You set it up on your blog and your 2020 pageant. We've got a pageant for some reason in 2020. We set up the URL for your website, /pageant. We write what we would normally write, and then we go and promote it. And as you do with an event, you get lots of links that come in. They're backlinks, and they really help for SEO purposes. So the local school puts a link there, you get a local newspaper puts a link, and you get a whole lot of links that come in here. Now, a year later, when you go to write the 2021 pageant, don't create a new page, move that to an archive page, and now write this about the 2021 pageant. And why would you do that? Because that's still your URL. You've already got links coming in, and then you get more links from the school, more links from the local newspaper. And even though some of them point to 2020, they can find that easily from the archive down below. What this is doing is it's making this page stronger and stronger and stronger from a search engine point of view. And every year that you do this, this becomes stronger and stronger and much more likely to show up in the search results. It's a fantastic trick. Been using it for a number of years now. Get on board.